Hello students, you all know India is a vast country with varied landforms. It is always interesting to know what kind of terrain we live in. It may be a plain area, hilly region, the rugged terrain with mountain and valleys. The land of India displays great physical variations. You will be surprised to know our country in fact has practically all major physical features found on the earth's surface like mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, and islands. Dear students, the main objectives of this video is to learn about the Great Peninsular Plateau of India and its location and extent, geological history, subdivisions of the plateau and their chief characteristics, various hill ranges of the peninsula, and significance of the Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau lies to the south of northern plain of India. The Peninsular Plateau constitute ancient land masses on the earth's surface, which is formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land and thus making it a part of the oldest landmass. In this video, you can easily see how the Peninsular Plateau got separated from the African landmass during the Cretaceous period, that is approximately 145 to 66 million years ago. The oven fractures separates African and Indian plates. To begin with, let us understand first what is plateau. A plateau is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area on at least one side. The average height is around 1000 meters to 4600 meters. Geologically, the Peninsula Plateau is the largest and oldest physiographic division of India. It is also called as Shield and it is one of the segment of the ancient Gondwana land. It was supposed to be one of the most stable land block and totally free from folding. But it is subject to vertical movements. It, it is a tableland and composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks and possesses various geographical features like block mountains, rift valleys formed by the rivers like Narmada, Tapi, Krishna, Kaveri. It also has deltas formed by rivers like Krishna, Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri. The plateau is also rich in black soil. Peninsula Plateau has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. It is roughly triangular in shape with its broad base in the north and apex in the south. The east-west distance is around 1400 kilometers. It covers an area of about 16 lakh square kilometer. Its average elevation is ranging between 300 to 2000 meters, whereas it has average elevation ranging between 100 meters in the north to 1000 meters in the south. The Peninsular Plateau is rich in valuable minerals like manganese, iron ore, mica, coal, bauxite, gold, and copper. On the basis of the relief features, the Peninsular Plateau is divided into Central Highlands, Deccan Plateau, and Northeastern Plateau. The Central Highlands further divided into Aravallis Mountains, Vindhyas, Malva Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau, Baghelkhand Plateau, and Chotanagpur Plateau. Let us discuss about the Central Highlands. The Central Highland lies to the south of Great Indian Plains and north of Narmada River. The average elevation of this region is around 800 to 1200 meters. The general slope of this region is from southwest to northeast. The Central Highland is made up of Aravallis Mountains, Vindhyas, Malva Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau, Vindyachal Baghelkhand, and Chotanagpur. Aravalli Mountain is one of the oldest hill range. It runs for a distance of 800 kilometers from Delhi in the northeast to Gujarat in the southwest. The average height of this range is around 400 to 600 meters with few hills well above 1000 meters. The Guru Shikhara peak is the highest peak of Mount Abu hills. It also has some important passes like Pipli Ghat, Haldi Ghat, and Desur Ghat. Luni and Banas are the important rivers rising in the Aravallis. It also has Sambar Salt Lake. This Aravalli hill divides Rajasthan into western and eastern parts. The next one is the Vindhya range, which rise an escarpment running parallel to the Narmada and Son valley for a distance of about 1200 kilometers. Its average elevation is 300 to 650 meters. The Vindhya range is composed mostly of horizontally bedded sedimentary rocks of ancient age. Sedimentary rocks of ancient age. The next one is the Malva Plateau. The name Malva is derived from the name of the ancient Indian tribe of Malavas. The name Malva is said to be derived from the Sanskrit word Malav, which means part of the abode of Lakshmi. The Malva Plateau is located in the southwestern part of Central Highland. It lies in Madhya Pradesh between Aravalli and Vindhyas and covers an area of about 81,767 square kilometer. It is composed of extensive lava flow and is covered with black soil. The average elevation of this plateau is around 500 meters. It is characterized by low relief and undulating topography. The major parts of Malwa Plateau fall in the state of Madhya Pradesh. It forms the source region of the rivers like Chambal and river Betwa, which flow towards north, and river Mahi, which flow into Gujarat area. The important cities like Indore, Bhopal, Ujjain are located on this plateau. Next comes Bundelkhand region. This region lies to the northeast of Malva Plateau and spreads over southern UP and northern MP. The total geographical area of this region is 70,000 square kilometer. The rocks found in this area are mainly granite. Bundelkhand forms the part of Yamuna river basin. The northern part of Bundelkhand is remarkably a flat land that smoothly merges with North Indian plains. The central and southern part of it is covered up by uplands and hills. The major rivers Kane and Betwa flow from south to north and merges into river Yamuna. Because of intensive erosion, semi-arid climate and undulating area, this region is unfit for cultivation. The next region in the central highland is the Vindyachal Baghelkhand region. This region lies to the southeast to the Bundelkhand and east of Malva Plateau. This region is located in the central part of India, covering northeastern Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, as well as the adjacent southern part of Uttar Pradesh. The Baghelkhand region covers an area of 37,100 square kilometer. The average height of this region is 550 to 1033 meters above the sea level. The Vindhyachal forms chain of hills spread in east of Madhya Pradesh and in the northern part of Chhattisgarh. With the average height of Vindyachal ranges between 300 to 650 meters. This range runs from southwest to northeast direction. The highest peak of this Vindhyachal is Sadbhavana Shikara. The river Son and river Tone and its tributaries drain this plateau. Next comes the Chotanagpur Plateau. It is the northeastern part of Peninsular Plateau. Much of this plateau spreads in the states of Jharkhand and extends into the adjoining states like West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Orissa. It is one of the mineral-rich region of the country, covering an area of about 65,000 square kilometer. The average height of this plateau is 300 to 1,100 meters. Chotanagpur Plateau consists of series of steps like sub-plateau, which are locally called as Patland High Level Plateau. They are also known as Roar of India. The southern part of Chotanagpur Plateau in Jharkhand is also known as Ranchi Plateau, which is a storehouse of various minerals like mica, bauxite, iron ore, limestone and other. The important cities like Jharia, Raniganj, Bokaro, Jamshedpur are located in this plateau. With this, we come to an end of the first part of the lecture on Peninsular Plateau. The next part of this lecture will be continued in my next video. Thank you.